Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and obviously, I bought some WeatherTech stuff. So let's take a look. Let's start with this big one. This is WeatherTech items for my new 2023 Dodge Challenger. Take a quick look at what I bought. All rolled up is this trunk insert. Helps save some of the carpet in the trunk. All laser measured and should fit exactly. I think we're gonna have to lay that one out so it flattens. Next up, here we go. So this one, we got driver's side and passenger side laser cut floor mats, also to save that carpet. And then two for behind the seat. Let's go see how these fit. Here we have the driver's side. Fits really good. It should fit perfectly, but I did not follow the instructions to take out the other floor mat. So it causes a little bit of a gap here, and these aren't quite as good as they could be, but that's all on me, just because I didn't know where I'd put the floor mat if I took it out. Pretty good fit on driver's side. Now we're going to tackle the passenger side. This side does not fit as good as I'd like it to. There's a big gap up here, especially if I try and get it to line up with this hook. So even if I did take the mat out from underneath like I'm supposed to, the thing still wouldn't line up. It's good, it's close, but that I would expect to be a lot better with the laser precision calculations that they did. Okay, making our way around rear passenger. Pretty good fit. All right, rear driver's side. Nice. Lastly, the trunk. What a booger. This one is far from being laser precision measured. It fits, but it doesn't fit perfectly. I love the peace of mind that these mats give me to make sure that nothing happens to my interior floor mats. However, the precisionness isn't really there, really only on the driver's side, and I guess a little bit on the back seats. Really disappointed with how this mat fits. It works at the end of the day, but these are not cheap products because they tout how precision this mat fits your car. Probably better than some. With that, thank you for watching. Hopefully this showcased a little bit of WeatherTech tech and how it fits. See if it's something that you want to try out in your car. I do love them in my Gladiator. And like the shirt says, don't forget to like and subscribe. Throw any comments below. One other thing that we need to address is when it comes to shipping charges, $27 for shipping. Come on, WeatherTech. Try trying harder.